Hey guys, here's a video to help you get started on this problem. So Lydia wants to know what the graph of the cube root function looks like. So we've got the cube root function y equals the cube root of x. And we want it so that all the inputs, the x values that we choose, make it so that all the y values, or the outputs, are going to be integers. So if we remind what an integer is going to be a whole number, and that can be positive or negative. So for example, 3, 54, 180, those are all integers, or negative 8, negative 16, negative 140, those are all integers. But then like 3.3 or the cube root of 41 or pi, those are not going to be integers. So we don't want some kind of cube root or square root or something, or a decimal. We want whole numbers for y. So we need to think about y equals the cube root of x. So numbers that when you cube root them equal some good number. So some whole number. So I might think of it this way. So let's say if I would say that x equals 8, this is an example, the cube root of 8 is going to be 2. I know this because 2 equals 2 times 2 times 2, right? 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So when you cube root it, you end up getting one of them. So that would be a good example where y is going to be our 2 and x is going to be 8. One more example might be that if we have y equals the cube root of x, I could say that 3 equals the cube root of 27. I know that because 3 equals the cube root of 3 times 3 times 3. So another one would be 327. Figure out what other kind of values for y and x work out so that y is an integer.